Hello friends, how are you? Yeah, great. So welcome to my channel Mathics. So here I will uh, teach you the basic concepts of physics and mathematics, which are very necessary in your school studies and even for your competitive examinations. So without the basic concepts, you will not be able to build up the further. This is a base, and without the base, you will not be able to build up the further concepts of next classes. So the name of my channel is Mathics. So I will always urge you to subscribe to my channel. Okay. My name is Sanjeev Kundan. I am BE in Electronics and Communication, and today we will start with our topic integers. Okay. So what are integers? We will study the topic before just understanding the integers. We will just understand what are the three types of numbers. There are basically three types of numbers. Okay, those are, what are those? Those are whole numbers. You know what are whole numbers? Whole numbers are all the numbers starting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and till infinity, right? All these are positive numbers with 0, and here we have no negative numbers with us. Okay. After that, we have natural numbers. Do you know what are natural numbers? Yeah. Natural numbers. Natural numbers are the numbers which are starting from 1, 2, 3 till infinity. Right? Fine. Similarly, integers. Right? What are the integers? Integers are all the numbers. Integers are all the numbers which just start from minus infinity to plus infinity, including 0. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, just like whole numbers, plus addition to that minus 1, minus 2, dot. So this is the basic concept of integer, the integer, right? So basically integers are of positive sign, negative sign, including 0. Okay, right. I want to teach you one more basic concept. Okay, that is regarding the signs, the different signs, how the numbers will be added or subtracted. Suppose there is a number plus 5 and another number minus 3. What will be the sign of the number as a result? So first in this case, we'll take the number with a higher sign, which is plus. Okay. So here we will put it the plus marks first, right? That plus 1 plus come in the result, plus will come into the result. Yeah, yes. And the number with the lower, having the lower sign, that is here minus 3. 3 is having the negative sign and 5 is having the positive sign. So 3 is having the minus sign. That's why 3 will be subtracted from the bigger sign number, that is 5 over here. So 5 minus 3 will be 2. So the answer will be 2, having, and will carry the sign of the bigger number in the LHS, that is here plus. So the plus will come to result, the result, right? Similarly, if the two numbers are in a negative sign, one is to say one is minus 3, another is minus 4 or minus 7. Yeah. Okay, then definitely since the both are of same sign, then 3 and 7 will be added up, and the sign of the result will carry the sign of the initial two numbers, that is both are having the same sign, that is negative, that is minus 10 is the result. Similarly, if one number is 0, another is minus 10, okay, then 0 is having no value. That's why the result will be minus 10 as it is. So This is the basic concept, and we also need to understand that when a plus number is multiplied with a plus sign number, the result is always, tell me, yeah, plus. Similarly, when a plus number is multiplied with a negative number, then the result will be, and when a minus sign is multiplied with a plus number, what will be the result? And when a number carrying minus sign is multiplied with a number or with an integer with a minus sign, what is the result? So here in the first case, a positive integer is multiplied with a positive integer, then in that case the result will carry the resultant number, the resultant integer, whatever it be, it will carry the sign of plus. Similarly, plus minus will multiply to minus. That is opposite signs. When the opposite sign integers are multiplied with each other, the resultant integer will carry the negative sign. Always negative. When two opposite sign integers, here minus one and minus integer minus one integer carrying minus sign, another carrying plus sign, are multiplied with, then definitely the result will having a number whose sign is always minus, because the initial product and product integers whose number are to be multiplied, both of the above LHS integers are multiplied, they will give the resultant integer which will carry the negative sign. Similarly, minus and minus. Okay, one integer carrying negative sign, another is also carrying negative sign. Both negative integers, when multiplied, then the resultant will always be positive. Similarly, in the case of initial, when plus is multiplied with plus, always plus, and minus is multiplied with minus, always plus. Right? Fine. So after this, we will go to the next page. What is that? What we'll understand? Yeah. Friends, do you know what is the largest negative integer? The largest negative integer, do you know? Largest negative integer. You know what is that? Largest negative integer is -1. You know why? Any number, -2, -3, -4. You can see all these numbers are lesser than -1. That's why -1 is the only integer is highest, which is of highest magnitude. This is of highest negative integer. Right, friends? Fine. Similarly, one more concept I want to share with you. Okay. What is the smallest? What is the smallest positive integer? You know, friends? Yes. Yeah, definitely. 1. 1 plus 1. That means that is only 1. 1 is the smallest positive integer. Which one? Smallest. Because any number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or whatever, all these are greater than 1, right? All these are greater than 1, right? Fine, friends. So we will also understand here, we will learn about how to do the representation on the number line. You know, what is a number line? A number line is a pictorial representation of representation where we can plot the graph, plot the different numbers. Here, we will just take it, just indicate the number line first. So a number line here it's go the right hand side into the plus side, and in the left hand side it goes into the minus side, and in the upward it's plus y, and in the downward side vertical line it's minus y, and here it's origin, right? Origin is 0. So to understand what are the where we need to plot the positive numbers, where we need to plot the negative numbers, okay, we'll just write it over here. Just stand up, just stand up at number line at origin. Just think of that, just this thought that if you are standing on the origin and here, okay, and all the numbers which are right to that is towards your right hand side, that is towards your right hand side RHS, and all the are positive, and all the numbers which are from origin towards your left hand side LHS, all those are negative, right? So just keep this in your mind. So let us represent few numbers on the number line, right? Let us understand it. How? Suppose there is a question, represent 4 on number line, right? 0, 1, 1. This is the point which you can write number line presentation of 4, right? Similarly, if you want to plot suppose minus 3, where minus 3 will be, definitely from origin it is towards the left hand side, right? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Just you need to take the equal interval, not an issue, because I'm just not using the scale or margins. This is minus 3, right? Minus 3. The presentation number line, right? Friends, we will. I hope that this topic is clear. For any queries, you can just put up into the comment box, and I will definitely get back to you as soon as I get my time. Yeah. So after this, we will try to do some basic arithmetic operations on number line. We'll do some addition and subtraction on the number line. First, we learned how to plot different integers on the number line. Now we will do another thing, that is, what is that? Addition. Suppose initially take addition on number line, right? Right, friends? So what we'll do, take some example. Take some example. Suppose we need to, the question is that add 4 and minus 3 on number line, right? So for that, first you need to draw the number line, okay? The number line. Here it's origin. Here it's origin, and here numbers are plotted, different numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? And here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So first go to the first number. What is that? What is that? 4. Plot that number 4. Just take that number, okay? So we have taken 4, this one. Just from origin we plotted 4. We take it from 4. What we will do? 4 plus another number minus 3. What we will do next? After reaching 4, we will go to, we will add 3. 3 means towards the left side. Okay, from this point, all the numbers towards the negative side here. Okay, all those are towards the negative side. That are subtracted. We have to subtract 3. 3 with a negative sign. So since the sign is negative, thereby that's why we'll change our direction from right to left. We'll turn over here left. Okay, from 4 we will, what we will do? What we'll do, friends? Yeah, tell me. I hope you understand. First of all, we go to 4 from here. 1, 3, 4. Right? After 4, the direction was towards right till here. Okay, towards right till here. After that, the direction is changed. Right? The direction is changed, and what we'll do from 4? 3 integers left. That means 1 jump, jump, 3 jump. Okay, this is towards left. Okay, since minus 3 is marked over here like this, and 4 is marked over here like this, right? So where are we? We are on 1. We have 1 here. Okay, so 4 plus minus 3 is equal to 1. This way we can represent 1 on the number line. Similarly, you can take another example. Suppose we want to add minus 4 and minus 3 on number line, right? What we will do? Just make the number line. Right. Yeah, this is towards minus, and this is towards plus side. Okay, the origin is 1, 3, 4. Okay, so we'll take the numbers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. We'll take that much. First, we'll go to the minus 4. 1, 4, 4, 4. We will, from origin, we will start our movement towards the left side. You know why? Because we have to cover minus 4. Yeah. Now we are standing on 4. Okay. Now just from here, we will look after the second number. It's minus 3. This will also go towards the same direction, towards left hand side. So from 4 we will jump again 3, because minus 3 is towards the negative x, minus x side. Okay, then again 1, 2, 3. Okay, so what is the number? 7. Okay, what is the number? What is the result over here? Minus 7. So 4, minus 4 and minus 3 will give up to minus 7. Minus 4 plus minus 3, this will give to minus 7. Right, friends? So in this way we can do basic arithmetical operations on number line. Similarly, we can do the subtraction also. Okay, but for subtraction we'll take that example. Let us understand one of that. Suppose the question is that represent minus 4 minus 3. We have to do this on number line. So friends, what we will do? First of all, as usual, we'll plot the number line. Okay, on the number line, what we will do? You tell me. Yeah, we'll take the first number. What is that? That is minus 4 over here. So that is towards the minus side here, towards the minus side. 1, 3, 4, minus 4, minus 3, right? So the 4 is represented from origin. We will move towards the left hand side. One jump, then again jump, then again 3 jump, then again 4 jump. So we are on minus 4, right? We are on minus 4. That is our first number. Okay. From 4, what we will do? We will now here we will use the basic initial things which we discussed. Minus 4 minus minus 3. What is that? Okay. Minus 4 minus minus 3. Hmm. Minus 4 minus minus 3. That means minus minus plus. Here minus will be multiplied with minus 3. This will lead to plus. So minus 4 minus minus 3 will lead to minus 4 plus 3. That is equal to the number which is carrying bigger sign is minus 4. So the result, the answer will carry minus sign. Okay. And the number with the opposite sign, the integer with the opposite sign, that is 3, will be subtracted from 4. You know, so 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Fine. So that 1 is the answer carrying minus sign, right? So how we will do it on the number line? Let us cross verify it. Okay. So just going on to the number line, we have already represented minus 4 over here. From minus 4, what we will do? Till 4, we have a direction towards left, towards the negative axis, right? From here, what we will do? We will go towards the plus side. Why? You know why? Because the effective sign of 3 integer is plus 3, right? We'll jump 3 towards right. One jump, two jump, three jump. So what is the answer? Minus 1. You can see, friends, see the result. Minus 1 is same as over our usual calculation. This is same. So in this way, the number line representation and the basic arithmetical operations can be performed over here. Okay. And friends, I want to just teach you one more thing regarding the additive identity. What is additive identity? First of all, I want to show you the additive identity. Additive identity of any integer is 0. You know how? Let us, for this, you need to understand another concept, additive inverse. What is additive inverse? Write as AI, right? When a number, when a number, number means integer. When an integer is added to another number with, number means integer with opposite sign, opposite sign, the result will always be 0. How? Take some number. take some number, uh, make a table, and then put its additive inverse, then put here the sum. Suppose one number is 1. What will be the additive inverse? -1. No, why? We have written a number is added to another number with opposite sign. What? Opposite sign. So number a, when the given number is 1, additive inverse of 1 will be -1. And what will be the sum? 1 plus -1 will lead to 0, right? 0. Fine. So the result will be 0. So this is the additive identity. Additive, right? Similarly, when any number is added with its additive inverse, the result will be 0. You can check with any of the integers, whether carrying the negative sign, whether a positive sign. The negative sign integers, and the opposite of that will be negative integers will be a positive number, positive integer. When that will be added to its negative integer, the original one, the result will be. You can check any of that. Fine, fine, friends. So let us understand the further topic. The next topic which we will discuss is properties. Okay. Before properties, I want to show the successor and predecessor. What is a successor and what is a predecessor of an integer? Okay. Of understand what is a successor. Number, given number plus 1 equal to successor. Number minus 1 equal to predecessor. Suppose the given number is example number equal to 5. What is its successor? Successor will be 5 plus 1, that is equal to 6, right? Equal to 6. What would be its predecessor when the given number is 5? The number equal to 5, predecessor equal to 5 minus 1, that is 4. So 4 is the predecessor of 5. So in this way we can identify. You can take another example. Example, suppose we'll take another example, -3. What is the successor? -3 plus 1, that is -2. Similarly, what is the predecessor? -3 minus 1 equal to -4. Same integers can be plotted on the number line also. Fine, friends. Now we are coming on the properties. Okay. What are the properties of integers? Property of, so first of all, it's a integer. All integers follow the closure property. What? Closure property. You know what is that? If a given number a, given integer a and given integer b, okay, when both are added, whatever be the result, that will also be a, right, that will also be a integer. So we can write integer plus integer will lead to integer, right? Fine. So another property, what is that, friends? Yeah, another property is the, another property is the associativity. You know what is associativity? associativity is that associativity for addition of integers. That is, when a number is added with another number, when an integer is added with another integer, whatever be the result, when that will be added to another integer c, then the second and third numbers, this one, second and third numbers are when added initially, and that result is added with the first integer a, then the LHS and RHS both are same. You know, both are same. This is the property of associativity of integers for addition, right? We will show another property that is for we have discussed the successor and predecessor. Yeah, one more property. If a given integer a and given integer b, two integers are with us, and a is greater than b, okay, in that case, if a third integer c is introduced, that case, what will happen, you know? Now what will happen when a is greater than b, and when c, say the second or the third integer which is added with it, is added with it, then you had seen what you have seen, this number a plus c is always greater than the sum of these two integers b. This is always follows for each and every integers in our mathematical world, right? One thing, we have discussed the additive identity, we have discussed the closure property, commutativity, and one more thing which we will identify, which one is smaller and which one is greater. Okay, this is a very good concept and a important concept. Integers as greater or smaller, identify. Suppose two integers are given -4 and -3. Okay, you need to identify which is greater. So how we will solve this? Let us see. Let us see. First, we'll take the number line, right? On the number line, just I am showing on the number line because it will be easier for us to understand. Plus x minus x, right? So just this is the origin plot, 1 2 3 4 1 4, -4 -3 -2 -1 1 2 3 4. Now -4, where is -4? Here it is. Okay, here it is. We have taken it. We have taken it, and also identified the another integer -3. -3 is, yeah, here. -3 is here. So you can see the integer. You can see. I will just write it down so that you will be able to understand. The integer which is towards the right hand side is greater. You know why? The thumb rule. Yeah. Towards the right hand side. What the right hand side means? Towards the right hand side. Hope you remember from origin towards the right hand side. It's always we are going towards the plus direction. From origin towards the LHS, we are going on to the negative direction. So minus 3 is towards the positive side, toward more positive side, towards the plus axis. Minus 3 is closer to the positive x-axis that in comparison to minus 4. So we can say minus 3 is greater than minus 4, right? So these are the basic concepts which we have discussed. And one more concept I have written the topic, the absolute values. We'll try to capture before closing. What are the absolute values? No, absolute values. Absolute value of teasers, right? We'll take some 2, 3 examples. Minus 1, 1, 3, 0, minus 10. So absolute value can be put up in a just the questions are put up in the question paper like this, like this. Between two bars, the number is kept, okay? And we'll write the answer. See, what is the absolute value of minus 1? Is 1. What is the absolute value of 1? It is 1. 3, 1. 0, no value, 0. Minus 10, 10. So we can say, I will just help you with the definition of the absolute numbers. An absolute value of an integer is always positive, right? Whether it's a negative integer, it's a positive integer, the result will be always positive integers, right? So this is called the positive value of that particular integer is called absolute value. Absolute value. So friends, thanks for watching this video of integers. For any problem or doubts, you can put up into the comment box, and I will always request to subscribe my channel Mathics, and I will try to help you out at any point of time whenever I will get. So thanks for watching. Happy learning. Bye.